Hello guys, welcome. My name is Levis Sirikwa and I am from Siriops Environmental Research Organization. So today I'm excited to bring to you Mangrove Buddy program, which is a training that Siriops does to create awareness on mangrove ecosystem, just understanding what are mangroves, what are these species, how can you identify the different mangrove species. So to kick us off is the mapping Mikokoni. So mapping Mikokoni is actually a combination of English and Swahili word. Mapping is simply the act of or the process of collecting geodata. Then Mikokoni is mangrove ecosystem, the Swahili word meaning mangrove ecosystem. So this training is just giving you a basic approach that anyone can use. We have two major areas of interest. The first one is the polygon. The arrow shows how the polygon looks like. The second one is marker point or GPS point. This universal icon shows how a GPS point looks. To start us off, you need to have materials and tools, specific materials and tools for you to be able to do mapping Mikokoni successfully. So the first tool that you need is an Android smartphone. Is a device that you can use for downloading the application and using it. It is GPS enabled, and then it has receptors of data. The second tool that you need is UTM Geomap, the mapping app. This is found in Play Store. Now, when setting up UTM Geomap, the first thing that you need to do is to download the UTM Geomap from the Play Store. So you go to Play Store and you type UTM Geomap, and you'll see the pop-up of several suggestions, but you select this one with this particular logo. After you have done that, you go back to your phone, you check the location to ensure that it's high accuracy. Then you put on mobile data or Wi-Fi. You don't want to have your flight mode on, especially when you're using your mobile data. After downloading the UTM Geomap, you then after setting up the location, turning on the location in the data, you'll go to your phone and open the UTM Geomap application, which is right here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is its icon, the icon of the app icon. So when you open it, you'll go to the home page. So I just want to take a few seconds or a minute to explain some of the features here. So this is the version, the very top here, UTM Geomap 3.5.5. As you can see, it's a simple mapping and GIS tool. So we have map coordinates. You can just take coordinates of specific areas. You have offline GPS. You can use it like a hand GPS device. We have code converter if you want to convert from minutes to degrees. If you have area and distance, you want to measure the area or you want to measure the distance. Marker map if you want to find a GPS point and attach attributes of that point to the map. You have compass map if you're doing any navigations. You have contours. We have buffer overlays. You have elevation profiles, dealing with elevations, DTM, export file when you want to export your file to a certain format. Camel trace, if you want to trace your file that has been saved as camel, you can use camel trace. Then we have other aspects, manage data and all that. You can also buy premium. When you buy premium, you get to enjoy some of the advanced features of the tool, as such as determining the elevation profile of different places. So for this course, we will be interested with marker map and area distance, because marker map will enable us to place markers in our areas of interest, in our specific points of interest. And then we attach or we relate some attributes of that place to that marker point. And this point can be made, and reference can be made to this point afterwards. The second area of interest will be the area and distance icon, where we map the area to understand the coverage in terms of hectares, in terms of square meters, or in terms of acres. Then the distance, if you're interested in understanding how far is it from the ocean or the water channel to the highest watermark in our area of interest. The last icon that we'll be interested is the export file. After we have mapped, after we have collected the data, we need to export the file in a format that we can use it for advanced tasks like data analysis or remote sensing using GIS tools, like GIS tools and softwares like ArcGIS, QGIS, SEPO, um, Google Earth Engine, and so forth. So for this session, that's what we're supposed to cover. So if you have reached to up to this level, it means that you're on the right path. Thank you.